there lived Sally, a cap seller.
Caps. Caps for hot sun and cold rain. Caps, caps, caps in all colors.
He used to sell caps in all the nearby towns and villages. One day, as usual, he started for his business. He decided to go to the next village. To go to the next village, he had to cross a forest. As he walked for a long distance, he decided to take rest. So he kept his basket and slept under a tree. The tree was a dwelling place for a group of monkeys. Slowly, from one of the branches, a monkey peeped out. It climbed down from the tree and slowly went near Sally.
Ah, it is sleeping.
On seeing the caps, immediately it whistled. All the monkeys responded to the whistle.
I will throw the caps. Each one of you catch.
One by one, all the caps were distributed and the basket was empty. Everyone wore the cap and was playing happily. Sally woke up because of the noises.
My God! Basket is empty. Where are my caps? Who would have taken it?
He searched around and finally, when he saw up, he was shocked.
What is this? Monkeys are wearing all the caps. How am I going to get it?
Sally lifted his hand and just started beating them, which was imitated by the monkeys.
Hey, teasing me? You all should be. They are repeating the action of mine. I should follow the same technique and get my caps back.
Sally threw his cap down. Immediately, all the monkeys threw the caps.
Thank God! Without wasting any moment, I should take all the caps and continue my journey.
Sally picked his hats and packed his basket and started walking.